Hey everyone, my name's Olivia and today I will be walking you through February's beauty box. The theme for February's beauty box is Love Opens Doors, and you are going to love every single thing in your beauty box this month. Be sure to look through your pamphlet, read about all your new products, and to take advantage of that promo code before next month. The promo code is $10 off of any order, $40 or more. All right, I'm just gonna dive into my personal favorites in this month's box. It is a reusable bag. This bag is not only so gorgeous, it is the perfect size. It's not too big, it's not too small. The quality is there, it's fantastic. You don't have to worry about the zipper breaking on you if you're traveling. I'm super excited about this because I personally travel a lot. So I love, keeping my skincare, my makeup separate from the rest of my stuff. I try to keep organized, and you guys are just gonna absolutely love this. You guys also received one of our most popular resurfacers, All Nighter. All Nighter is a retinol-based resurfacer. It is so fantastic to attack wrinkles, crow's feet, fine lines, and for me personally, discoloration. This is a very strong product and it is very amazing. Anything with retinol in it, you're not gonna want to use it before you go out in the sun, so make sure that you use this at night only. And you should be using sunscreen every day, but definitely if you are using All Nighter, sunscreen every single day is a must. Next, you guys have received a refill of Immortal Eyes. Immortal Eyes is our fabulous eye cream, and with every single refill that we give or that you buy, we donate a tree through a partnership with the Eden Reforestation Program, which is so fantastic. And my little pro tip with this is, personally, I love using our products out of the refill bags. I love traveling with them. They're super easy, super convenient. They don't take up a lot of space. But when you do apply Immortal Eyes, be sure to obviously apply it underneath. If you have crow's feet, definitely target this area, massage slightly. But a lot of people don't know, you really need to be putting eye cream on your eyelid as well. You really want that lifting, anti-aging effect to be on the entire eye, not just under your eye. And for your next beauty tool, we included the cutest little heart blending balm. If you don't know what a blending balm is, I'm going to be demonstrating it very quickly. It's something that you're gonna wanna use to put foundation on your face. What I've done and what you should do every time you use this is submerge it in water, squeeze out all the excess water, and then it's ready to go. As you can see, I am taking my Perfect 10 foundation in the shade Delight, and I am just putting it on my face. This is our anti-aging foundation, and you're gonna want to dab it on your face and then take that sponge and do those small dabbing motions. If you drag the sponge across your face, it can leave streaks. That dabbing motion is definitely the name of the game when you use these sponges, and I personally love that heart shape so much because I can use the little corner to get those hard to reach places under my eyes. And next, we have included a travel size of Our Little Secret. So Our Little Secret is a fantastic rebuild serum. It targets wrinkles, fine lines, elasticity. It is a very, very fantastic anti-aging product. You're gonna wanna use this after you cleanse and after you resurface your skin, and always follow up with moisturizer. But this is just so fantastic on your face, under your eyes, on your neck, and on your décolleté. You are gonna love this. Okay, last but not least, we have included 2 new lip products in your beauty box. We have a lip job, which is our lip scrub line in the flavor creme brulee. It is so delicious. And then we have a lip and cheek tint that is named Desire. That is so fantastic. And I'm gonna show you really, really quickly how I like to use these products. So first I'm taking the creme brulee lip job, rubbing it on my lips, and then I'm licking it off. After my lips are all nice and soft, I'm taking that new lip and cheek tint and I'm slowly applying a little bit on my lips and on my cheeks. What I love about the lip and cheek tint is that it's extremely buildable. You can really control how strong you want it to be on your face, and it's very natural looking. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are not already a Beauty Box subscriber, be sure to check the description below to see more about this program. All of the products that I went through today, the beauty tools, the full size, the travel size, all the fun stuff, the new products, it is only $60 for customers to receive it either once a month, every other month, every 3 months. It is a fantastic deal. You get a promo code every single time, a new exclusive Beauty Society product every single time. Thank you guys again for watching. I love you.